load at steel technology to haul coils. The goal is going to be no tipping over the coils. They have an ongoing problem of drivers when they pull out of facilities, the coil tip over. So our goal is to get you there. The next tutorial will be how to load the coils so they don't tip over. Again, there's a picture of the Hall of Shame, they call it, of a load of coil that has tipped over. Dangers when hauling this product. Just a heads up, the product likes to shift if not secured properly. Product likes to shift if you go around the corners too fast. And the product likes to tip the truck over when you go around the corner too fast. Please beware. PPE must be worn on their site. PPE means, with no exception, hard hat, safety vest, long pants, sweatpants are not allowed, shirts with sleeves, steel-toed shoes, and safety glasses. Again, here's a picture of a load that was not secured correctly, and here is a picture that is secured correctly. The address to pick up is 3030 Dulles Drive in Mariloma, California. We'll give you some heads up and tips of how to get there. The facility is located right off the 15 and the 60 in this general vicinity right here. So if you're coming from the Reno Valley area or from the other areas, see on the 60, and there's an exit right off the 60, will take you right in there. So the exit you'll take off the 60 is the Etiwanda. Take the Etiwanda to the north, follow it all the way up until you come to a street called Philadelphia. This is Philadelphia right here. Right here, we'll put a little line. That's Philadelphia. You take that down until you come to a little side street called Dulles, and then you go ahead and pull in there, and we'll show you some other slides of how to get into the facility. Here's you come off Philadelphia. Again, you come in this side, Dulles. You go down the length of the building and you turn in, go across the railroad tracks, and you'll see some trucks parked there. But again, this is the facility. As you come down the street, another side of how to get in there, you go right before the railroad tracks, turn in. One more time, you'll go straight in. At the end, you'll see where the trucks have started to bunch up, park, put your PPE on, and then go to the shipping office. Here's one more time of the downward view of looking at it. Dulles in, turn, across the railroad tracks, and here, standing outside the building, is a extra building. That's where the shipping office is at. Here's what the shipping office looks like. This is the door that you'll go through to go ahead and get inside. Again, you need to have your PPE on before exiting the truck and get into the facility. In case you forgot a hard hat or something they have there that they'll let you have. Once you check in, they'll come out and look at your dunnage. Make sure you have the right number of coil racks and your dunnage is in good shape before they'll let you load. Check-in procedures. You need to make sure you have your release numbers. You'll give that to Juan, and then Juan will go through and give you the order numbers to go through and get line to get loaded with. Again, Juan's a contact in the office. Once you get loaded, there's 2 lines here of trucks to go ahead and get in here. If you stay to the right gives you enough swing to go ahead and get into the building. Warning, it is a tight turn to go ahead and turn left to get into the building. From the end, here's the trucks in line waiting to get loaded. There's 2 lines again, stay to the right. Again, reminder, they will not load you unless you have your PPE on. So please don't even try to get there to get loaded if you don't have your PPE on. There's a doorway once you get turned around from the left to go through the facility. This is what it looks like. Again, there's the 2 lanes here to get into. Check with one to make sure which lane they want you into. One more time, it is a tight turn to get in there. While you're waiting out in the line, pull out your coil racks, pull out your dynages, get them set on your trailer to go through and get ready to load. Again, have your chains put on the deck of the trailer. Makes it a whole lot easier for them to go through and get you in and out quickly. They're a very busy facility. They want you in and out so they can go ahead and continue to load loads. This is a truck inside the loading bay. You'll see the overhead crane. They'll only allow you to throw 3 chains while you're in the bay, and then once you're out of the facilities, because they have trucks behind you, it's again a busy facility. They want you in and out quickly, but safely. Once you leave the facility, you'll come out this door, slow as you can, and get onto Dulles. Sometimes this road is very busy, so you have 2 options. Either pull forward, or you can back up to go ahead and tie down, or you can go ahead and come out of the facility, wrong way traffic, and park here to get unloaded. Do not leave this street unless you are secured. Again, it's tight to find some place to park, but do so in a safe manner. Again, coming out of the facility, you'll see where the reefer's parked. Park here or on the other side, or if needs be, go ahead and pull out softly, then back up to go ahead and find a place that you can park to go ahead and secure the rest of your load. One more caution. The Hall of Shame happens all the time when drivers come out here too quickly and they turn and the coils fall over. That's why we have you will throw a 3rd chain that will loop the coil from keeping the coil pack from falling over. Again, the wall of shame. This is preventable. The driver went around a corner too quickly, tried to do a U-turn, and the coil tipped over. The coil pack, right now you can see there's 3 coils, are held together with these bandings here, and there's banding on the other side, and it broke the banding. Can't emphasize enough that speed will cause the coil to tip over. Here's the driver trying to go through and right it after it has fallen over. He did too much too late, and there's no way to go ahead and upright the coil. What we're going to teach you in the other video is take a chain, go through here, go through the middle of the coil, go over the top of the coil, come back through the coil again, and then tie it down. What that does is keep the coil upright. So if you do something stupid, you have a better chance of the coil not shipping. Again, you see that the coil pack is 3 coils that they go through and unitize with a steel banding. It falls over.